Welcome guys, today I am with the Vivo X80 Pro and I'm going to show you what is the maximum zoom level in this phone. So as you can see, when you open the photo mode, you will start from the 1x, there's the ultra wide lens 0.6x, and if you want to go for the maximum zoom, you have to click on the 5x, go on the already selected preset and then slide like that. And as you can see, we can go for the 16 times, and on the left bottom corner you will get also the preview how it looks to help you navigate. To be honest, that's really bad quality of the zoom, and the phones like Mi 11 Ultra or S22 Ultra or even the Note 20 Ultra, this zoom quality was definitely better. It's not looking good. Even in the Huawei P30 Pro it looks better, so I'm honestly disappointed with this quality. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.